Hello. Hello all Ego ni Juku teachers using Quizlet. This is just a short video which I am making now for you to address 3 points on Quizlet. The first point of which is how to ensure that settings are right on your students' Quizlet pages and on your page. And second issue is how to combine 2 or more word lists. And the third issue is how to make use of other features on Quizlet. So first of all, お疲れ様でした。Quizlet を使って、ありがとうございます。これからもご協力お願いいたします。So first of all, let me address the first issue. How to ensure the settings are right. So first of all, you have to go to Quizlet homepage, log in. I have my login details saved. And I open the class. So down here on the left side are all the classes that I use Quizlet in. And I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 10, maybe 15 classes I use Quizlet in. If you use Quizlet in more than 8, you have to pay, I think, $15 a year, not very much. So we'll go to the option A, TOEIC. So here in this class, I just have 3 word lists. So first of all, when the students are making a new word list, or if on a word list that they have created, so say for example this word list here, you have to make sure that the settings are correct. If the settings are not correct, you cannot see which students have added which words and when on the home page. So if I click any class here, these are all the classes. I can see the name here, the student name, and this is the name of their word list, the picture of each student, so I can tell who each one is. And I insist that all the students add their picture and not the silly picture of a duck or a rabbit or a cat, because I can't tell who they are, even if their name is there. So here I have the number of words. This student has 41 words, this student has 48 words. So now is week 4, and I advise all students to add at least 10 words per week. So next week is week 5. They should have 50 words in their list. So let's go back to the first issue, is how to make sure the settings are correct. So usually it's the students who have not added the correct settings. To change the settings, you go into any word list, add or remove terms from this set at the bottom, and you make sure that the 2 settings here, visible to, says certain classes, so the third option is clicked. 1, 2, 3, the third option is clicked, and the class that your class is highlighted here. And here on the right it says editors. You must make sure that this is at the middle option, people in those classes. Right? If they are not at these settings, this one and this one, then you cannot see which words have been added by whom. And that very harder to see how much work each student is making. Okay, so then we'll go back to the second issue of second issue is how to combine 2 or more word lists. And I've had several emails asking the same question of how to combine word lists. So this is very easy. So say here I have a class here, and in this class students have been making, rather than adding to their original word lists every week, they've been making a new word list every week. And this would mean that this would clog up your homepage with many word lists, which you don't want. So first of all, say we have this word list here. We want to combine this one into this one. Okay, so we go here, and in this list I want to export these words from here, these words, into another one. So here, export. Click that, export. Export again, it's in the tools function in the tools in the main box, blue box in the middle of the screen, tools, export, and here you can alphabetize so that they come in Junban, alphabet no Junban, and here select all, right click, copy. Of course my computer is all in English, but yours will be in Japanese probably. Right, and then I go back to the other word list which I want to add these two, to combine these ones two. And here I type here in add or remove terms from this list. I click import data and I copy, I paste the copied section which I had just copied just now and paste it in here. And now this word originally had 16, now it's got 24. 16 plus 8 is 24. Save. Now this has got 24 items in it and not 64. Notice here how they don't have pictures, and that's because this student has forgotten to click the add images button. You can add here, search images, click. Advertisement. Advertisement. That's a good advertisement there. Okay, and then click here at the bottom. Product. I wonder what happens here. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Product. Search images. No images of. Search again. Create some images of different products here. There you go. Different products, doesn't matter what they are. There we go, just click that one. Okay, now we'll save. And another mistake some students are making is that they are adding pictures to every word. Sometimes it's difficult to add pictures to words. For example, adjectives. It's very difficult to find a good picture for every adjective or for adverbs. So fukushi, I'd say only add pictures to nouns and adjectives. All other words, verbs and adverbs and all different types of words, I wouldn't always add a picture to. So hopefully now you can understand how to combine word lists, and if you want to delete the word list which you have just I've just taken these words from here and put them in here. To remove this from your window, you just add or have the students click remove. Removed from class. There you go. Very easy. And this student here spelled that wrong. My new word list. W-O-R-D. They can't spell. Okay. Okay, now the third issue. The third issue is how to make use of other features on Quizlet. Very easy. So here we go. We click open a word list, and we click here, cards. And if you click on cards, there you go, RSVP. There we go. So here on the top, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options. Cards, learn, speller, test, scatter. Click on learn. And speak text. Suri. 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 Suri to theft. Suri. Pickpocket. Pickpocket. There you go. Pickpocket. And it remembers which words you have answered correctly and which ones you have answered incorrectly. Start with English. Parade. Parade. Daisha. Is it? Which one is it? Daisha? Parade. Paredo. Alright, parade. Okay. Cards, learn, speller. Speller. It's simple, just type what you hear.
Constipation.
There you go.
English language proficiency requirement.
English language proficiency requirement.
Rash.
Rash, etc. And the test,
Landlord.
you can make tests with all the words from one list. You can only make a test from the words within each list. So I wouldn't recommend using test until you have at least 100 words in a word list. And scatter, very simple. It's like karuta. So you take words here with pictures and combine them, and gradually they will disappear. So coin, laundry, laundromat, there you go. Live performance, I know it's this one, but I'll take it over here. It says no, it's not that one. And race. Oh, so I hope that answers all your questions. Thank you very much for coming. Good luck with everything now. If you have any other further questions, just email me anytime. Thank you.